We're here at the moon, on the moon surface here. Ooh, dear baby, naked Jesus. Pull him up.
I can fucking grab him.
Alligator.
He's a big boy.
Not too bad.
For
I
us,
can't fucking get the thing.
Whoa!
Wow, that's a 30-inch, 40-fucking-inch thing. Excuse my language.
It's like 2 feet.
Oh. Hey.
Tommy, get the pliers out of the
Hell yeah.
This is why we come out here, Jesse.
Oh yeah.
I had difficulties on that one.
Get on video here. Nice birdie one.
Yeah, white grub on there too.
That's my button.
Yeah, that deep.
Full. Oh, he's got a little injury on his stomach.
Oh, no, that's your fish. I ain't helping you no more.
Pretty fast.
Oh,
Look at
yeah.
that. Beautiful eyes. Look at those eyes.
That looks like an alligator.
Yeah,
Oh,
he's going
yeah.
right back in so we can catch him again in a couple of years.
Do you want to touch him, Kaylee, in a second? Yeah, do you want to touch him?
You gotta check out